This is Helpscreen and this is how to make Snapchat notification not show names. So guys, today I'm going to show you two solutions in order for you to do that. So for the first one, just open your Snapchat application on your device. And then over here, just tap on your profile on the top left corner of the screen. And then after that, guys, just go to the settings on the top right corner of the screen. And then from here, guys, just tap on notifications over here down the partner connections and tap on it. And then from here, guys, you will have multiple options to choose from. We have stories for friends. We can turn that off. We can have mentions, memories, and messaging reminders and other options that we have. So guys, you can also do this by going to your device settings. So first, open up your device settings. And then from here, just go to the notifications over here. And then once you are here, just scroll down below and tap on see all. And then from here, guys, just try to find the Snapchat. And then from here, you can turn off the notification, or you can also turn off the app icon badges. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya!